Hi everyone, and welcome to another Draw With Me video. Now this is a pretty short video, and I just wanted to have some fun with my community and draw a little cute lucky cat. And I originally drew this on one of my evening streams on Twitch, and you can find out more about that down below if you would like to follow me there. I am live 3 times a week, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. And I wanted to draw a little chubby, adorable lucky kitty just because I'm like, I want some luck right now. So I like to go in and do a rough sketch first, figure out where I want everything placed. And I always like to do it in blue pencil because that is like one of my favorite things to draw with. And I've been enjoying working on my iPad so very much. It is definitely an enjoyable medium to work on because it's just so you can travel with it and work on the go. You know, you can, like I'm doing here, stream with it with your community, all that good stuff. You know, it's just so much fun to work with. And then after doing my rough, I like to go in with a if you guys want to know more in detail about like brushes and that kind of stuff, I'm more than happy to let you know what I'm using, but I'm going in with a black, just making sure that I get the lines the way I want them. And I have this love for drawing cats. So that's like one of the big things I like to draw. And give it cute little ear hair, some whiskers, and this is kind of like a calico kitty, I kind of see it as, and then draw in its cute little chubby feet. And I wanted to give it this like fluffy tail. And then I realized once I was drawing the underbelly that I didn't really like where the hand was, so I drew another undersketch for where I wanted the underbelly to be. And then I drew that in, then erased, and then added in the little paw in the front to give it a little bit of, you know, a difference in the size of where everything's placed, and I think it turned out really well. So then I ended up drawing a couple sparkles here and there because, I mean, who doesn't want sparkles? I mean, it's kind of like, you kind of have to have it, right? So then I went in and started doing my my color, my fill, as well as doing my, after the fill, I ended up doing the outline. But I somehow lost that footage, so I do apologize. And then at the very end, I like adding in a little kind of speed paint. It's only about a 30-second speed paint, so you can really see my process and how I go through building this whole thing. And I'm hoping to do a lot more drawing on my YouTube and Twitch channel, so I definitely hope you guys will check that out. All of that information is down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks so much for being here, everyone. Bye.